Well, it's about 5:30. I'm on my way home. I had 2 customers today, dropped off here about 3 hours ago. Believe it or not, I got 4 more cut codes from a gentleman. And the lady who had to not cut codes, what do you call those things? Pamper shift. Got 4 more of those. And the lady that had the pamper shift yesterday, she brought me, when she picked up her knives, she brought me one more lawnmower blade. Another set of double lawnmower blades. So I got 4 pampers and one set of blades. And they're all going to pick them up here tomorrow. Stand by. I hope I'm headed for some ribs at Swell's. But I don't know that for a fact yet. Here we go. Would you believe we got pamper chef knives 2 days in a row? This guy only had 4, and the sleeves. And the lady who had the lawnmower blades yesterday, when she picked up her box of knives and her lawnmower blades, she brought me 2 more. Unbelievable. More blades.